What's up? I'm super excited. If you haven't noticed by the title, the Oster Fast Feed Cordless is here. I know people have been dropping videos left and right between Instagram, between YouTube, and giving their take on it. But I really didn't like what they were saying about the Oster Fast Feed, so I had to try it for myself. So we're gonna go inside and go get it, and I'm not gonna act like I didn't already open the box, because I did. I'm not gonna act like I didn't already, record a video but never plug the mic in. I'm not gonna act like that. I already did all that. I tried it out. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you the Oster Fast Feed if you haven't already seen it, and then I'm gonna show you, a couple clips of me putting it into action. And let me tell you, it's gonna be my number one go-to. I think it's my number one go-to. So we're gonna see what you think about it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos like this. We back, guys. Got the Oster Fast Feed in hand. Sorry about the echo. I've been noticing in my last couple videos that the echo from the studio is very, very live. I can tell, you might not be able to tell, but man, from first glance, this thing feels amazing. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It's right in between. Comparing it to like the Gamma Ergo, it's definitely heavier than that, but definitely lighter than the Master, which has always been a thing for the Oster Fast Feed, even when it was cordless. I do like the lever. The lever is super quality. I feel like it's definitely good. Do I wish it had the notches? I do wish it had the notches. I got so used to and spoiled by the Gamma Ergos that I do miss the notch. I did get the red color. I know they had the black one out there as well, but I couldn't find the black one, so I ended up just picking up the red one. I wanted to make sure that I get this out before too many videos on a review when these Oster Fast Feeds come out. I want to get into the mix a little bit. It can be used corded or cordless as well, so that's a plus. It does come with a pretty nifty charging stand. Let me grab it. This charging stand is super, super nice quality. It's a thick base, but it's not too big. It's definitely bigger than the Andes Master cordless base as well, but I do like it. Some people may not like it. That's just your own opinion. It does have the original Fast Feed blade on it. I don't know if I can, get this thing to zoom in on me. Boom. The clipper can be zero gapped, so that's a plus. I like to zero gap all my clippers. I know I watched one video, I forget what channel it was, but he didn't zero gap it. Man, it's a must to zero gap the clippers. But as you get to, when you see these clips of the video that I'm gonna show you next, man, the blends just came out super effortlessly, just like I remember. The clipper does feel like it still is a pivot motor clipper. Like, it don't feel as strong as the Andes Master, but it definitely gets through bulk with ease. Now, with the Oster Fast, I never really went through bulk with the Oster Fast Feed just because it was a pivot motor clipper. It wasn't that powerful, so a lot of thick hair, it really wouldn't go through it. I was trying to catch a client that might let me try to take their hair down so I could do it with this clipper, but it just never happened in the time that I needed it to. But you'll see a lot of fading, tapers, ball fades, things like that. Man, blends came out effortlessly. So let me not waste any more of your time. Let's get into it, and then I can show you guys some of the specs of the clipper as well. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed those couple clips that I put out there. Hope you thought, you know, that the clipper does pretty good, you know what I mean? But, you know, I got the box here. The nice thing about the box is it's got that like old school, but like new school feel to it. I do enjoy, you know, seeing the boxes. I didn't do like an unboxing. I did an unboxing. I'll show you over here what I did, but it has no sound. But you know, honestly, when it comes to unboxing, you don't really need it. I mean, we just unboxing it. You know, I mean, some people enjoy it. It might be satisfying, and ASMR type stuff. But you know, the clipper has a 90-minute runtime. It's super quiet. I do love it, so it's good to use on kids because you know kids don't really like the noisy clippers and whatnot. It does have a lithium-ion battery. Heads up, just make sure you charge your clipper before you use it. They put tape around the button. So because they put tape around the button, do not turn it on right out the box. You will ruin the battery. So please, please charge your clipper beforehand. That's game. The blade does open up from a 000 to a 1, but when you zero gap it, you kind of have it one notch down from that, which equals to like open up to like a half, and then you'll have like your 40, I believe. I do like the extended lever. That's definitely a plus, especially when you're going into like that one guard. You have a very, very faint line, so it's easy to take that 1/16 line out. So for this clipper is very, very new. It's got an adaptive speed control. And so what they're saying is that the clipper will adjust when you're going through dense hair, which is kind of crazy to think that it would do that. But now that I've seen that on the box, because I didn't know when I opened it, I just kind of opened the box, put the clipper to work, try to take the video, and I want to get this out here. But I did notice the clipper, when I'm going through certain types of hair, the speed will adjust on me. And that's so you can make sure that it's using an adequate amount of power. And it's not running super, super low, and you're not gonna run out of battery super quick. My final thoughts though on this clipper, man, this going on the station. It's a done deal. It's probably one of my favorite clippers of 2022. It should have came out like 4 years ago, but you can't expect too much. You know what I mean? Oster is their first like official, you know, cordless lineup. Now I do have the Oster Octane, so that is a cordless clipper. I've had that for probably 4 years. I've dropped it like 100 times. This thing is still kicking. There's a couple pieces that you do need to replace on it because they will get a little bit loud, which I'll drop a video on that when I get the parts that come in. But yeah, I want to try the Oster 76er cordless. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see the Oster 76 cordless, and I'll cop up and then I'll do my own personal review on that. Not a lot of people use detachable blade clippers. I don't know why. You get a cleaner cut and a lot faster time. So on that note, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. And I know I've been delayed, I'm like 2 weeks out from making a video, but we're gonna get this one out there. I'm trying to get consistent. My Instagram is popping, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure that you, right here, you know, somewhere over here in this corner, make sure you go to my Instagram, follow me on there, shoot me a DM, and make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get more of my videos. And yeah, I'm out.